Anyways, I came back down here where I fell the other day, and hopefully I don't fall again. Really don't want to fall. But this is where it took place, and it's really slippery. Got new shoes this time though, so I was gonna try to go down there, but I don't know if that's really gonna work. But I just kind of wanted to come down here and intro the vlog because I think it's really pretty down here. Even though this is like all gross, it's just really, I don't know, it's pretty cool that this is like, oh look, there's a boat coming by right there. I don't know if you can see that or not. It's actually a tugboat. Huh. Pretty cool. Anyways, I just like to come down here, just hang out, chill. Really relaxing down here. And it's not even very far from my house, like maybe like half a mile. I don't know, I just walk down here sometimes, and there's these like creepy tunnels, and I don't know, I just like to come down here, chill, come down here and kind of talk about like today's video. It probably won't be real long. I don't have much going on today. Hopefully tomorrow I have something coming in for a video. Hopefully it comes in tomorrow, I don't know. But I got this stuff to like dyes your skin brown, and I didn't get enough. I just got enough to like do my legs, and if it works out and this video gets like 100 likes, I'll do my whole body brown, including my face, if I get 100 likes on this video. So hit the like button, and hopefully I don't fall here. I'm gonna try to get a little closer down to the water, maybe. I don't know if I really want to risk it. But anyways, yeah, if I get 100 likes, I'll do my whole body in it brown. But today, I just got enough to do my legs. And it's like 15 bucks for this like little bitty bottle. So, hopefully, this is really dirty. It's not a very big bottle. Hopefully there's enough there to do my legs. And if not, then I guess I'm gonna have like one brown leg. And I wear shorts a lot, so it's gonna look pretty dumb. And yeah, so the next clip is probably gonna end up being me doing my legs brown, or I don't know. I guess we'll just have to wait and find out. got, yeah, the darkest one I could find. And I guess we could read this. It says, smooth on leg makeup, stays fresh and natural looking all day, covers freckles, veins, and something. Lightweight formula is water and transfer resistant. Don't know what that means, but let's try it. It says to only put like a little bit on there, but I think that might be enough, hopefully, for one leg. Ooh, it feels like gross. Ooh, it smells really weird. Yeah, this is a little different than oh, I got it all over my toenails. Just got, oh, look at my hand, it's already turning brown. So I guess this is like one leg. Heck, this little container might have enough in it that I could have done my whole body in this stuff. Anyways, I got some stuff coming in the mail today. Hopefully it should be here tomorrow. For another pretty cool video. I just picked this up at the store because I thought, you know, this might be a funny video. But I don't know if you guys think it's pretty funny. Let me know. Ooh. I'm hoping this stuff doesn't come off as easy as it says it is, because I think it'd be pretty funny to walk around in public getting people's reactions to the lower half of my body being brown. Yeah, this says to get a quarter size, like a size of a quarter. But you should know that around here we go big or we go home. So I think I have, for the most part, my legs done. And let me set this up to see exactly what it looks like we're doing here. Alright, let's do this. If you don't know where this is going, oh my goodness. Oh, yeah, I feel like a, ooh, this stuff does not oh, I got some in my mouth. It does not smell the greatest. Let's see if we can get the arms. Oh, I can tell it's just caked on my eyelids. And it don't smell real good, like at all. Oh, my eye itches like right there. I'm pretty sure I just got some of it in my eye. Now my hands are stained. I look so silly right now. Well, today was like a total, like, crazy different video from what I really expected. But if you guys enjoyed the video, I enjoyed making it. I'm not gonna enjoy cleaning myself off after this. But if you guys oh man, I got it all over my pants. Well, if you guys enjoyed this video at any time, make sure you hit that like button, subscribe, comment down below different ideas I could do. I got another video coming tomorrow, and I'll try to get something cool out for y'all guys Friday. But support I've been getting on all the videos recently, it really means a lot to me. Especially, I just started this, like, oh, it's in my eye, like a week ago, and I feel like I've been doing pretty decent. You guys let me know what I can change, what I can improve, what I can work on, anything. Makeup tips, because this stuff is burning my skin. So I'm gonna go try to get some of this off before it completely melts my skin. And welp, it's all officially dry. I decided to wait a minute before I went and showered just so it could dry. And the smell from it is so bad. It smells like chemicals so bad. I have a headache from it now. But hold on, the lighting's probably not real good. This is my arms and my legs. Oh my goodness, this looks so horrible. It's not even half dried on my legs. I caked it on so thick on some places, but this is what $11 worth of leg makeup can do to your face and your arms and your legs. So don't forget to not cake it on so thick next time if I do this. Even though I pretty much covered my whole body in it. You know what, I'm going to change the 100 likes to, since I pretty much covered my whole body in it now, I'll change the 100 likes to me having it caked on like this or worse, and I'll go out in public and shoot a video for that if I can get 100 likes on this video, like so. Give me that 100 likes and I'll redo this and I'll make it look worse, and I will wear it out in public and get people's reactions for y'all. So I'm gonna hop off here and go take a shower now. Yeah, that sounds about right.